Hey guys, what's up? I'm just gonna get straight to the point here. We all know that cryptocurrencies and blockchain will play a big role in the near future. It's already starting to show off its head, and a lot of people are saying this is now the fourth industrial revolution is here, and crypto is definitely part of it. So the question is, are you gonna be a spectator or are you gonna take action? If you're watching this video, it means that you definitely want to take action because you have seen or you have heard how much potential cryptocurrency has. There's a lot of opportunities, and if you really want to become successful, the most important thing you can do is to invest in yourself first. By that, I mean you need the knowledge, you need to learn, because as much as there's so many opportunities in the cryptocurrencies, there's a lot of scammers, a lot of bad actors, and the only way you can secure yourself from those kind of bad actors is to know what you're doing. And that's exactly why I built the Crypto University. The Crypto U is meant to help you figure out the entire cryptocurrency market and see which opportunities do you want to take. Do you want to become a trader? Do you want to become an investor? Or do you just want to learn about cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin and the entire blockchain ecosystem? So I have multiple courses on this platform. You choose what works for you. Do you want to become a trader? You choose the crypto trading course. That's for people who want to become traders, say on a daily basis. They want to keep trading, right? They want to make money trading cryptocurrencies. They can choose that course. If you want to become an investor, like most people, they don't have the time to trade, or they don't even like trading. What they want is to just learn about cryptocurrencies, figure it out, and invest in what they think is right in a longer period of time, right? Because most money in the cryptocurrency anyway is made by people who bought some time back and they just waited for price appreciation. And now there's also another course just for beginners that I'm offering for free for you to understand the fundamentals of Bitcoin, because Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency. That will help you understand and will also act as a foundation of the entire course. So I wish you good luck. Use my experience in this course because I do all of the three things that I'm talking about. I trade daily pretty much, and I'm an investor for a couple of years now. And I educate other people about cryptocurrencies on my YouTube channel, on my podcast, and pretty much people ask me about Bitcoin and cryptos every day.